Hi guys, Jeremy here, and today I'm going to compare Jobber and ServiceTitan. Both of these platforms help you run your service businesses, but they do it in very different ways and are built for different types of companies. In this video, I am going to show you their features, pricing, user interface, support, and much more. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of which one might be the right choice for your business. So let's get started. First off, let's talk about Jobber. So Jobber is a field service management software made for small to mid-sized service businesses. It's perfect for companies like landscaping, cleaning, HVAC, plumbing, and pest control. So Jobber helps you handle scheduling, quotes, invoices, and customer relationships all in one place. The best part is that it's super simple and easy to use. Its clean design makes it easy for business owners and field teams to find what they need fast. The idea is to make your daily tasks easier by automating processes and keeping everyone on the same page. Plus, with mobile apps for iOS and Android, your team can manage jobs on the go. Jobber focuses on job tracking, scheduling, and invoicing, making it a popular choice for businesses that want to keep things simpler without spending hours learning new software. Now, ServiceTitan is a bit different. It's a field service management solution built for larger service companies and enterprises. It's aimed at industries like HVAC, plumbing, electrical, and other home services that need more advanced tools. Now, while it does handle scheduling and dispatching, ServiceTitan goes further with features like call tracking, marketing automation, and detailed reporting. These tools help bigger businesses streamline operations and grow faster. However, because it offers so much, it's a bit more complex to use, but for larger companies with heavy workloads and complicated processes, it's worth it. ServiceTitan is designed to handle big operations, making it a great choice for businesses that want to scale and stay efficient. Now, let's compare their user interface. So Jobber has a clean, modern design that's bright and easy to use. When you log in, you'll see a simple, organized dashboard. It's uncluttered and user-friendly, so even if you're not tech savvy, it's easy to navigate. You can quickly move between scheduling, quoting, invoicing, and customer management. The drag and drop feature for scheduling jobs is super useful, and the overall look makes managing daily tasks feel simple. If you're new to digital tools, the layout is straightforward, so it's simple to learn. On the other hand, ServiceTitan is built for bigger, more complex service businesses. Its interface is fuller with lots of charts, performance stats, and reporting tools that help managers keep track of everything. It's not as minimal as Jobber, but it prioritizes functionality over looks. So you can easily access advanced tools like dispatching, real-time job tracking, and marketing analytics. While it might take a bit longer to get the hang of all the features, experienced managers love the detailed insights that it offers. So Jobber is great if you want something simple and easy to use, while ServiceTitan is better for those who need a more in-depth view of their business. Hey, quick interruption here. Are you searching for the most efficient way to manage your business, life, or finances? Well, I'm excited to share a valuable resource with you all. We've developed top-notch Notion templates to streamline your business operations, enhance your personal organization, and optimize your financial management. Click the link in the description of this video and check it out. All right, back to the video. Next, let's dive into the core features of both platforms. So Jobber is all about making your workday easier and faster. Its scheduling and dispatch system lets you assign jobs to your team and make changes quickly if needed. The calendar is super simple to use, and you can just drag and drop to reschedule jobs. Another great feature is the quoting and invoicing tool. So you can create professional quotes and invoices in just a few clicks. Plus, it connects with payment systems to help you get paid faster. Jobber also helps you stay on top of customer info. So you can store client details, see job history, and even set up automatic follow-up reminders. The mobile app is a big help for field teams. Your technicians can update job statuses, collect customer signatures, and send updates to the office in real time. Overall, Jobber is packed with useful tools to manage your business, but because it's designed to be simple, it might not have the advanced customer customization that bigger companies need. On the other hand, ServiceTitan is made for bigger service companies, and it comes packed with advanced tools to make running a business easier. For starters, its scheduling and dispatch system is a game changer. You can assign jobs easily, optimize routes, and even track technicians in real time. So this is super helpful if your team is spread out across different areas. It's also great for managing customers. ServiceTitan has a built-in CRM that keeps track of customer interactions, service history, and even how your marketing campaigns are performing. Plus, its quoting and invoicing tools lets you customize things a lot more and work smoothly with accounting software. Another big plus is the reporting and analytics. ServiceTitan gives you detailed dashboards to track things like job completion rates, revenue per technician, and customer satisfaction. With this info, managers can make smarter choices and improve how the business runs. And let's not forget about the marketing tools. For call tracking to automated follow-ups, ServiceTitan helps you grow your business while staying organized. That said, all of these advanced features take some time to get used to. If you're a smaller business looking for something simple, then ServiceTitan might be more than what you really need. Pricing is an important part of choosing the right tool, so let's take a look at how Jobber and ServiceTitan compare when it comes to cost. So Jobber has 3 pricing plans to choose from: the Core, the Connect, and the Grow. So you can pay monthly or you can switch to an annual plan to save a little bit of money. The Core plan is $28 per month for the first 3 months, and it covers the basics for one user. You'll get tools like online booking, job scheduling, and professional quotes. Next up is the Connect plan at $84 a month, and it includes everything in the Core, but it also adds helpful features like automated reminders and payments to make managing jobs easier. Finally, there's the Grow plan, which costs $140 a month. It's great for businesses handling bigger projects or wanting to grow. You'll get advanced tools like quote add-ons, job costing, and two-way SMS communication. On the other hand, ServiceTitan does things differently. Instead of charging a fixed price per user or per month, they offer packages based on features. So here's the packages. You got the Starter, the Essentials, and the Works. All include basic tools like dispatching, scheduling, call booking, and invoicing. But as you move up the higher tiers, you get more advanced features like mobile estimates, payroll management, detailed reporting, and commission tracking. They don't list a flat monthly fee. Instead, ServiceTitan uses a request pricing system, which means they'll customize the cost based on your business size and how many technicians you have. Customer support is another critical factor to consider when choosing between these 2 platforms. Jobber is known for having great support to help you make the most of their tool. They've got a help center with articles, video tutorials, and webinars that cover everything from the basics to advanced features. Plus, you can reach out to their support team by email or phone, and many users say that they're super friendly, quick to respond, and really helpful. There's also an online community where users will share their tips and advice. On the other hand, ServiceTitan offers an impressive support system, especially for larger businesses. For many enterprise customers, they even provide a dedicated account manager who gives personalized advice for their business. They also offer detailed online guides, live chat, email, and phone support, so you can always find help when you need it. Since ServiceTitan is made for more complex operations, their support team is skilled at solving advanced issues like scheduling, dispatching, and business analytics. While both platforms have strong support, Jobber is usually easier to use for smaller teams, while ServiceTitan support is better suited for larger businesses with more complicated needs. So which platform should you choose? Well, the answer really depends on the size and complexity of your service business. If you run a smaller mid-sized service business and you want something simple and easy to use, then Jobber might be the best bet. It helps with scheduling, quoting, invoicing, and managing customers without much hassle. Plus, it's affordable, easy to learn, and has great support, perfect for businesses looking to streamline things quickly. But if you're part of a bigger company with more complex needs like advanced scheduling, dispatching, detailed reporting, or marketing tools, then ServiceTitan could be a better fit. Yes, it's pricier and a bit more complicated to use, but it comes packed with powerful features and strong support to help your business grow. At the end of the day, it all comes down to your business needs, your budget, and how much complexity you're willing to handle. So that's it for today's comparison. I hope this video has helped you understand the differences between Jobber and ServiceTitan and given you a clear picture of which platform might work best for your business. If you found found this breakdown helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more SaaS reviews, and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts or experiences with these tools. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.